everyone, today I will be showing you how to make simple khichdi with rice and green gram. So let's get started without waiting. I've taken a cup of rice. And half a cup of green gram. So I'm mixing both of them together. Be washing it and then I'll be using this later. To make this khichdi, we need rice and green gram. And for seasoning, I'm using onion, 2 chilies. I used 2 onions, small onions, and 2 chilies, green chilies, curry leaves, garlic. These garlic are like around 3 to 4 big ones, garlic pods, and 1 tomato. Chickpeas, which is grown in our garden. So I have few of them which I'll be using it. You can use any other vegetable like beans, carrots, anything whichever you have at home. You can use them. I have this today. I'll be using this today. For seasoning, I'll be using ghee. Cumin seeds. By then we'll just make the seasoning. I'll add a teaspoon of oil. Oil is now hot. To this oil we'll add the garlic. We'll wait for some time. It's getting cooked. So after garlic, we'll add some half a spoon of switch off the flame. Seasoning is ready. We'll add this seasoning to our rice. Khichdi. Mix the khichdi. This is smelling yummy. House is completely filled with this wonderful aroma of khichdi. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. It's done, almost done. You should always have this khichdi very hot with a little bit of ghee and maybe some pepper. It will be very nice. I have some very nice story about this. You can go and check out my description box where you can see my story on this khichdi. Enjoy this khichdi. Do try to make this khichdi. It's very simple, and when you're really very tired and don't want to do much, you can just make this khichdi and have it. It's wonderful for the stomach also. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Definitely try this recipe and let me know how you felt about it. Thank you so much. Bye.